प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर बंधन और एज गैप से अनजाना होता है। जी हाँ, over time Bollywood has seen several couples come together जहां the lady is a few years or several years older than the guy. लेकिन if marrying or dating an older man is not a problem, why should falling in love with an older woman be? While women dating older men is quite common in Bollywood, it's only recently that many couples have reversed this trend and have found love in relationships where the lady is older than the man. But in spite of society raising its eyebrows, these couples are very happy with each other and are shattering stereotypes every day with their love and respect for one another. Whether it's Malaika and Arjun, Priyanka and Nick, or Aishwarya and Abhishek, age has never come in the way of true love. Take a look. Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor have found love and happiness in each other, and the couple is not shying away from declaring just how much they mean to each other. After keeping their relationship under wraps for a few years, the couple finally made things official in 2019 when they shared a picture of themselves together from a holiday. In spite of the age difference and the fact that Malaika was married and has a son, their relationship is only getting deeper by the day. Malaika and Arjun are living life to the fullest, enjoying holidays in Dalhousie and Goa together and making sure to celebrate all special occasions like Diwali and Christmas with each other. Most recently, Arjun shared a picture where he looked super handsome in a printed shirt with soft lighting creating a dramatic backdrop around the good-looking star. While Arjun had clicked some fabulous pictures of Malaika during their recent holiday in Goa, it looks like Malaika returned the favor by clicking a dreamy picture of her bae. Arjun proudly shared that the picture had been clicked by his lady love and wrote in the caption, "A dreamer is one who can only find his way by moonlight, by her." Priyanka Nick. This East meets West pair faced lots of gossip and some rather mean memes on social media when they announced their wedding. Priyanka is 10 years older to Nick, and in addition to their age difference, the couple come from two completely different cultural backgrounds. बट जहां लोगों को प्रॉब्लम दिखे, प्रियंका और निक को दिखा सिर्फ एक दूसरे के लिए प्यार. The two married with both Desi and Videsi rituals 2 years ago and are going strong in spite of spending time apart and being busy with their respective careers. Abhishek and Aishwarya were friends and co-stars in multiple films before they fell in love on the sets of Guru and decided to get married. Both these stars have been through rough patches in their personal life, with Aishwarya going through a difficult relationship with Salman Khan and a rumored breakup with Vivek Oberoi. And Abhishek's rather public engagement with Karishma Kapoor being called off. The two finally found their soulmate in each other and got married in a lavish ceremony over a decade ago. They are now proud parents to the adorable Aradhya and have effortlessly taken over the mantle of being the junior Mr. and Mrs. Bachchan.